Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Unit 2 Force and Pressure. In this section, we are discuss about what is force and what are the effect of force. First, you learn what is force. Force is a push or pull on an object. It occurs due to interaction of objects. Force is denoted by the symbol of F. So, how to define a force? Force is defined as an external agency which changes or tends to change the state of rest or the state of uniform motion of a body. Force is a vector quantity which has magnitude and direction. It is measured by a unit called Newton N. And what are the impact of forces? First one, force can change the state of rest or motion of an object on which it is applied. State of motion of an object is applied to three categories. One is speed, second one direction of motion, and third one speed. First one, what are the examples of state of change? Example, pushing a box, pulling a door, and car race. So these are the impact of forces. And second category, force can change the direction of motion. The force is exerted by bat changes the direction of moving cricket ball. It is the examples of direction of change the direction of a motion. And third one, force can change the shape of an object. On activity 1 in the book is there. Fix the matrix of sharp pins on a wooden board in rows and columns. Take a big blown up balloon. Place it gently over the pins and place a small book on the top of the balloon. Will the balloon burst? Will the pin prick the balloon? If you brick a blown up balloon with a single pin, it will burst. In a single pin blown up balloon with the burst. But this did not happen even though many more pins were pricking the balloon. What is the reason? A single pin produces a large pressure over a small area. But when a large number of pins prick a body, each pin exerts very little pressure on the balloon. So the balloon will not burst. So we can conclude that effect of force depend on magnitude of force and area over which it acts. And third category, when you press a lump of turf on a plate, and examples, stretching a rubber band and crumpling a piece of paper. So these are the examples of force can change the shape of an object. So force can change the state of rest or motion of an object on which it is applied, the direction of motion, and third one, the shape of an object. And the types of force, first one is the muscular force. So the what is mean by muscular force? Force exerted by the muscles of body is called a muscular force. Some of the examples of muscular force are walking, running, lifting objects, pulling cart. These are the examples of muscular force. The next one is friction. Friction means uraivu. Friction is the opposing force. It acts in the direction opposite to that of a motion. Some of the examples of frictions are a rolling ball on the ground gradually comes to rest. A car comes to rest once its engine is switched off. So these are the examples of friction. Okay students, so in this part we are discussed about what is force. What is force? Force is a push or pull on an object. It is denoted by the symbol F. And what are the effect of force? Impact of force is three category: state of motion of an object, Force can change the direction of motion. Force can change the shape of an object. And what are the types of forces? Muscular forces. In this section we are discuss about the muscular forces. What is muscular forces and what is mean by friction? Okay. Now to answer these type of questions, define contact forces and what is muscular forces. Try to write the answers in your notebook and send it to me. Thank you.